Howdy folks. Some of you may know, some of you was in Captain Jack Scrapper's live stream when we were there yesterday morning. A big bad storm blew through here about that time, 70-mile-an-hour straight winds. We ended up with a tree on the house during his stream, so we had to leave in a hurry. Everybody's okay. House is fine. I'll show you the aftermath here in a minute. We did have a close call though after the tree had fallen. Some of it was still up in the tree where it should have been. But Becky was standing there looking at the fallen tree, what fell from the tree on the house. And she looked down, stepped forward up on the steps, came in the house, and as she came in the house, a big huge section fell. Nobody knew until it hit the ground. It's a pretty big section. She'd have been hurt or possibly even killed. I'll show you it here in a minute. But that's the only close call we had. We went without power for 13 hours, I think it was. The old Predator generator did great. We ran our refrigerator, our freezer, TV to keep up with the weather, turned the internet back on through the generator, the router. Kept some fans going and was able to keep a 5,000 BTU air conditioner going, which we could have came out here to Honey, but we stayed in there. But other than that, everything was fine. We had a great evening, other than the tree hitting the house. It was nice. We were the only house in the neighborhood that was lit up because I call it our boondocking experience. We took all our solar lights, we had them out in the sun, took them out of Honey, put them in the house, lit up all the rooms like we had normal lighting. It was nice. Going from room to room, lights were kicking on. But other than that excitement, everything was hunky-dory. Now we're waiting on the tree guy to come and take the tree off the house. But in the meantime, let's show you the aftermath. The aftermath. Like I said, nobody was hurt. This is the piece here that almost got Becky. And to give you a idea on how big it is, there's my foot. She was standing right there looking at the piece on the house. And when she got done looking at that piece, she put her head down, stepped up on the steps going inside, and just as she moved, this piece come crashing down. Our son-in-law was behind her, but I think he was standing over here where I'm at. And he had told her to move just in case something else fell, and she did, and something else fell. But there is the rest of the tree, the top of it, waiting on the tree guy to come and take it down. He should be here anytime. We'll lift this one off the house. Really hoping that one right there is not a puncture. But there was no water in the house, no rain came in, and it rained very heavy. So I don't think it is, but luckily there's a metal roof getting ready to be put on, so, but no structural damage from what we can see. There it is, all cleaned up. A&1 tree service stump removal. We're going to clean the rest of it up. We told them just drop it, drag it over there, and we'll take care of it. Got a few messed up shingles. I ain't see no leaks inside the house yet, but there's a new roof getting ready to go on. New metal roof. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but it's an eerie orange outside. There's more round of storms coming in. You can see that's the direction they come from right there. Looking pretty dark out there. But tree gone. Now we just clean the mess up. And see what these storms bring.